and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Did you know that the global kids stickers market reached $4.2 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow to $6.4 billion by 2030? Yes, it's an incredibly profitable industry. Stickers effectively convey emotions, sentiments, or messages. They serve as a form of nonverbal communication, enabling individuals to express humor, empathy, support, or enthusiasm in a fun and lighthearted manner, especially in digital conversations. It's time to move from being a consumer to profiting from this incredible, untapped niche. Today, you have the opportunity to start profiting from fascinating stickers using our done-for-you, unique, high-quality, and adorable handcrafted stickers with a private label license. Loaded with different variations from cute animals, fruits and vegetables, foods, cars, space elements, gadgets, adorable ghosts, and much more. Introducing kitty cutouts with private label rights, a collection of 300 handcrafted adorable kawaii stickers. Kitty Cutouts is your business in a box, designed to help you profit from an untapped niche with huge potential. So, what are you waiting for? Get Kitty Cutouts for just a one-time low price before your competitors take advantage of this opportunity.